Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. For this example, we're told to find the particular solution of f of x, where f prime of x is equal to 3x squared plus 4x plus 7, and the initial value is 2. First, we need to determine the general solution of f of x by integrating f prime of x, since f of x is the antiderivative of f prime of x. So the integral of f prime of x dx is equal to the integral of 3x squared plus 4x plus 7 dx, which is equal to 3 times x cubed over 3 plus 4 times x squared over 2 plus 7x, then plus some constant c. And this is equal to x cubed plus 2x squared plus 7x plus c. So this gives us the general solution of f of x. Now, since we're told that the initial value is 2, this means that f of 0 is equal to 2. So we sub the point 0, 2 into the general solution and solve for c to find a particular solution. So we sub the point 0, 2 to get that 2 is equal to 0 cubed plus 2 times 0 squared plus 7 times 0 plus c, which means that c is equal to 2. So therefore, a particular solution of f of x is the function f of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared plus 7x plus 2. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.